Well, the 4th of July is coming up. Let's all get ready to make some patriotic cupcakes that will look so put together just like you're a pro. Check out these fast and festive cupcake toppers to celebrate the red, white, and blue.
Place a plastic bag in a measuring cup with the top open and wrapped around the cup. Pour in melted color candy. You need about half a cup of each, the red, white, and blue. Then take a large baking sheet and cover it in wax paper. Cut off the ends of each bag. Now pipe squiggly lines. 3 of each color will do. Then break into 3 to 4 inch sticks. On the side, have baked and cooled cupcakes ready to go. Frost with white frosting and stick those candy swirls on top. 1 of each color on each cupcake. And finally, it's time for sprinkles.
Guys, this is gonna make a dozen cupcakes. It looks delicious.
Those things are lit.
Ooh.
It looks fancy.
We gotta dive right in.